Hey, Emily Whitney here. Today I'm going to show you how to enroll somebody or how to enroll yourself on doTERRA's new enrollment process. So if you're already a consultant, you can go into your back office and click on Wellness Advocate Services. It'll have this drop-down menu and you click Register a New Wellness Advocate. You can also go to doTERRA's homepage, www.doterra.com, and click on United States or whatever country you're in, and then at the top right, click Join. This will get you to the same page. Or if you have a website of a friend or family member or your own, you can go there, and that will be www.mydoterra.com/ either the person's name or their IPC number. So this is mine. I'm going to show you on doTERRA's back office. Okay, so over here on the right, you will see this button to try the new enrollment process. We're going to click on that. It's going to ask where our products are going to be shipped. We're going to choose the US. That's where I am right now. And then you can choose which account you would like. Now, I always recommend the wholesale account because you get a bigger discount and there are no minimum sales requirements. There's a lot of ways you can earn extra bonuses and free product just by getting oils for yourself. I have a large portion of team members that don't really care about the business or want to sell the oils. They just purchase them for themselves, and I still recommend this wholesale prices account. Now, for those people who would like to do the business, this is definitely the account that you want to choose. This is the one that enables you to do so. Some people just want to make enough money to cover their oils so they get them for free, and a lot of other people support their family with the money that they make. Either way, it's a very flexible account and there's no requirements. There's just a little more freedom and there's a higher discount with this wholesale price account. So that's the one I recommend. Click the account that you'd like and then click Continue. Alright, from here, this page is pretty self-explanatory. It's going to have you fill out your personal information, your shipping address, and your email and things like that. One more thing, be sure to check this box to receive information via email from doTERRA. They don't send out a lot of emails, but this is where you'll hear about what's on sale each month, what bonuses they have, and ways you can earn free oils. And then if your shipping address is the same, you can just click this. My shipping address is the same, and that will save you a little filling out time. It will also ask you for your tax ID number. This is your social security number if you're getting a personal account, or a business ID number if you're getting a business account. The IRS requires doTERRA to get this number from you because there's a possibility that you'll make a commission. Now down here in the middle you'll see the please enter your sponsor ID. Now this is really important. This is who you're going to join doTERRA with. We're kind of in teams, and when you join, it's kind of like being with a family. You're going to be communicating with them, getting help from them if you have questions. So if you have a friend that you want to be with, you're going to want to find out their IPC number so that you can put it in this enroller ID box. My number is 4401. The other thing you're going to do is you're going to click this Verify ID, because if you accidentally type the wrong number in, it is really difficult to go change this once it's there. Now you'll also see this box down here that says enroller name, and you can go ahead and type a name in there and click that Verify ID button and see if it shows up. But it's really a lot simpler if you can find out their IPC number ahead of time. It'll save you time on the back end of straightening it out and making sure that you're on the right team. Now they will help you know the sponsor ID. That's a little bit more complicated. We're not going to talk about it, but if you don't know the sponsor ID, you just stick it in with the same as the enroller ID, and that will be perfect. They can help you out with that. If you don't have anybody to enroll with, you can enroll with me. I would love to have you on my team, or you can find a friend that you want to sign up with and get their enroller ID to be able to join up with doTERRA. So from there, you're going to create a password, pick your time zone, click Agree, and go on to Continue. This next screen will sometimes ask you where your address is, whether it's in or outside of the city limits, and that's just for tax purposes, for your sales tax and stuff. So click which one it is and click Continue. Okay, now here's the fun part where you get to choose your doTERRA kit that you're going to start with. If you'd like to go to a new window, you can always Google doTERRA enrollment kits, and it should come up with a list of all the kits in one place. If you're one of those people that want to see everything side by side, this is a good place to look at it. This will also tell you how much you save by buying it in a kit. So if you just get an enrollment packet, then that's $35. You don't get any oil. But if you choose to get a kit, then that $35 is absorbed in the kit, and you actually get a much cheaper kit price. So this tells you how much you save on each kit. You can scroll down and see the difference between all of them. The bigger kits will obviously save you more. This every enrollment kit, every oil enrollment kit will save you $200, over $200. The diamond kit will save you almost $600. And there's actually more than that. That's really exciting. So if you see this little purple button right here that says Fast Track Kit, a couple of these kits are called Fast Track Kits. And if you open them up on the top right, you'll see a little box that tells you about it. You can click on this View Details and it will explain it more in depth. I recommend that you read this so that you know what is available to you, because you get a lot more product for your money by going with a Fast Track qualifying kit. This kit in particular will give you 100 free product points, which is very similar to $100 of free product. The requirement is that you will want to order 100 PV on your LRP order for the following month, the month after you enroll, so that you can qualify to get these discounts. That will give you 100 free product points on this kit, and then you'll start at 15% when you're earning products back. And there's a video that you can watch that teaches you about exactly what that is if you have any questions. It's kind of a lot of information for when you sign up, but if you know it ahead of time, you will get so much more product for your money. It's really worth it. Today I have somebody who wants to enroll on this diamond kit. So when you open that up, you will see that this Fast Track program is the highest one you can get. This has all of the products that doTERRA currently offers. Sometimes it takes them a month or two to update the kit when they get new products in, but it's usually pretty up to date. Up here at the top right, you'll see that Fast Track bonus again. So with this kit and then a 100-point order the following month, you will get 400 free product points. So not only do you save that about $600 worth just buying this kit, but you get another $400 back in free products the following month once you have placed that 100-point order that following month. Plus, you start getting points back on your LRP order at 25%. Now, normally you start getting points back at 10%, and then you build up to 25%, and it takes about 9 or 10 months to get there. And then after 13 months, you get to 30%. So this fast tracks you all the way up to 25% so that you're earning a greater percent back in free products when you have a regular order. Now, it's not required to do a regular order. That's just one more way that you can get a lot of product for your money. You can click on that details button again and see the details of it. On the right here, it'll explain all of the oils and all of the products in this kit. And this is the one that I'm going to choose today. So I'm going to add this to the cart. And then if you would like to add anything else on, you can just click on the View Price List, and that will show you the price list of whatever else you can order. You'll want to check out this Wholesale in the dark black. That's the prices that we're ordering on this Wholesale account. Or you can do the View Product Guide, and that will show you the US Product Guide. So you can go ahead and click through this product guide and you will see the products that they have available, and there's little charts in here that tell you which ones you need to dilute, and there's also a little blurb on each oil where you can see the wholesale price and the points associated with it. So back over here, if you'd like to add any other products to the kit that you're going to get, you can just click on this line here that says enter additional item number or product name, and you can type it in there. So you can type in like coconut for coconut oil, and it'll come up with fractionated coconut oil. That's one that I recommend if you are getting a kit. You'll want to have something to dilute your oils with. You can just go ahead and add whatever you'd like on here, and then it will just include it with your total. I'm actually not going to get the coconut oil because the diamond kit already has it in there. But if you want to add anything onto your kit, any mood oils, anything extra besides what's coming in your kit, that's where you're going to type it in and add it. Then once you're ready, you can choose the shipping method on the right. I'm going to put it at will call, which is just right there in Orem. If you live close, you can go pick it up. You can also choose these other options. So go ahead and click View Totals, and it'll calculate it out for you with the tax. And then you'll scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to type in your name and your payment information. And then as soon as you're done, you're going to click Process Order Now and Continue. Then it will take you to a confirmation page where it will say that your order is processed. It will give you your ID number, your doTERRA ID number. This is your wellness advocate number, or often we refer to it as an IPC number, which is short for Independent Product Consultant. You'll want to know that number, so write it down. You'll need it later. It will also be emailed to you, so you can just keep that email so that you don't forget it. And then in the middle, you'll have your order number. And at the bottom, it will ask, are you ready to start earning free product points by setting up a monthly order? And you can click, no, I'm done for now, if you want to put that off till later. But it's a lot easier to just set it up now. So if you would like to set that up, if you ordered a fast track kit, you for sure want to set that up. Go ahead and click, yes, let's set it up. And then there's a short video right here that you can watch that will tell you more about doTERRA's loyalty reward program. I also have another video that I'll link that you can watch if you'd like to learn more about my take on it. I think it is absolutely the best way to earn your oils. But this will walk you through setting up that LRP program. It's very flexible, so you're not actually ordering it right now. You're going to order it. You're kind of setting it up, and you can change it and alter it up until the date that you choose. So follow the instructions here, and this will show you how to set up that LRP order. That's how you enroll people on doTERRA's new enrollment process. This is Emily Whitney helping you take control of your family's healthcare.